Hi everyone, good morning. Recently, I have attended a workshop on AI tools from BE10X company. So, by attending this workshop, one can gain a lot of benefits from it. So, this workshop can introduce you to new AI tools and technologies that you may have not been aware of before. So, this can expand your knowledge and help you stay up to date with the latest trends in this field. And the second one, saving time. So the tools discussed in the workshop can save time in your daily task. This can be a significant benefit for individuals and organizations also, as it can free up your time for other important activities. And the third one is the increased productivity. So by learning how to use these AI tools effectively, the attendances of this workshop can increase their productivity and effectively in their completing their task. This can help individuals and organizations achieve their goals more quicker and effectively. The fourth one is increasing your networking. So the people who has attended in this workshop can get a chance to introduce to each other. And the last one is the professional development. So attending these types of workshop can contribute to your professional development by helping you acquire new skills and knowledge. So this can help you advance your career and stay competitive in the job market. So I request everyone to please attend this workshop and gain maximum benefits from it. Thank you.